spinach, tomatoes, white onion, and feta cheese, 3 egg whites, and 1 yolk. Alright, so now we're gonna get started on the roasted red potatoes. So I just added about a tablespoon of coconut oil to my small non-stick skillet. And now that it's already heated up and whatnot, I'm gonna add the green peppers and white onions. And we're gonna leave this on here until the white onions become translucent, and then we'll add in the potatoes. So it took about 3 to 4 minutes for the onions to become translucent, so now I'm gonna add in my red potatoes. It was about 2 medium sized red potatoes, and I do like to leave the skin on because that's where most of the nutrition is in the red potato. So I just washed it and added in the potatoes now. So first off is some sea salt. I'm gonna add some black pepper. With the turmeric, I'm gonna add about 1/8, so half of this amount. Because it is really cold, maybe I'll add a little bit more. And then some cumin. I'll add about 1/4 of a teaspoon as well. Okay. Now that that's all on, I'm just gonna take my spoon and mix it all in. So this is what the red potatoes look like after being covered for about 5 to 6 minutes. Kind of just mixing them around, and I'm going to cover it for another, say 5 to 7 minutes, and then these potatoes should be fully done. So I'm really excited. So now I just removed the lid for the second time, and I'm going to test it with a fork to make sure that it is 400. And it is. So I am gonna take this off of the stove now, put it aside, and then we're gonna get ready to make the Greek omelet. I just added about 1 to 2 teaspoons of coconut oil to my pan, and I'm just gonna let it heat up a little more. I would say for another 30 seconds, and then I'm gonna add in the veggies. But first, I'm gonna go ahead and scramble the eggs. So here I have 1 egg yolk and 3 egg whites. I'm just gonna go ahead and scramble them. So here I'm just scrambling my 1 egg yolk and 3 egg whites. I'm not really a fan of too much egg yolk, but I definitely want the protein from the eggs. So I leave 1 egg yolk, give it some color, and then I get most of my protein from my egg whites. So now the oil is just about ready, so I'm gonna go ahead and add in the veggies. The cheese is gonna be after, so. I'm gonna lower my heat to about medium. So I'm just gonna give it about another minute for the peppers to become translucent. The spinach is already wilted, so that's good. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add in the egg. So now that the onions have become translucent and the spinach has become wilted, I'm gonna go ahead and add my eggs that I have scrambled up here. What I like to do is just go around on the skillet like this, so all the veggies are covered by the eggs. And now I also want to add my spices, so about 1/4 of a teaspoon of sea salt. Just gonna sprinkle it over. And then about 1/8 of a teaspoon of black pepper. Solidified a little, I'm gonna go ahead and add my feta cheese. Just sprinkle it all around. And I like to let my eggs sit there until it's almost not liquidy on the top, so it's way easier to flip and there's less of a mess. And once it's all basically dry on top, I'm gonna go ahead and flip it, leave it on for another 3 minutes, and then the omelet will be all done. So now that the eggs are basically all solid on top, I'm gonna go ahead and almost breaking. Flip. I'm gonna let it sit on this side for, like I said, actually less than 3 minutes. I'd say like 1.5 minutes, and then it should be all done. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. I will definitely be back with more videos.